Hello everyone, welcome to Alvin Can Cook channel. Today I'm going to teach you 3 simple steps in making delicious crispy waffle. You'll need the following ingredients: 1 piece of 500 gram butter, 1 bottle of vanilla essence, 1000 gram of plain flour. This plain flour can be bought locally in Singapore supermarket and provision shop. Please note that different country flour quality will be different. 4 room temperature egg and 1 bottle of fresh milk of 950 ml. Before making the waffle, you need the following tools, which include brush, spoon of varying sizes, spatula, measuring cup, container for mixing of the flour mix, and a waffle maker. Before using the waffle maker, you need to apply a layer of butter. Next, pour the flour mixture into a container and transfer 4 eggs into the flour mixture. Mix homogeneously. Next, add in 250 ml of warm milk. Mix homogeneously. In this case, we separate the eggs introduction in 2 stages. Mix the flour homogeneously and then next add in 250 ml of butter. Mix homogeneously. Next, continue to mix the flour until the powder completely dissolves. Make sure there's no lumps left behind in the mixture. Next, you may wish to add 1 teaspoon of vanilla to taste, 1 tablespoon of salt to taste, 100 grams of sugar. It's up to individual preferences. Most importantly, make sure that the flour is completely well mixed. Now we're ready to make the waffle. First, apply a layer of butter on the top mold and the bottom mold for easy demolding purposes. Next, introduce the flour mixture into the mold. Spread the flour mixture evenly into the mold bottom surface until you cover all the cavity. Next, cover the mold. Let it bake for 5 minutes at least. How to tell that the waffle is cooked is no smoke will be generated. Waffle is finally ready. You can either eat the waffle plain or you may wish to apply margarine, butter, Nutella, etc. For my case, I like my waffle plain and non crispy, and usually I'll bake extra so that I can keep it for next week.